In this video, I will show you how you can get access ChatGPT for free without using ChatGPT plus plus. And when you get to ChatGPT 4, you have to got uh, unlimited skills and unlimited promotes. Without a mess, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Microsoft Edge browser if you have. Then you can see chat button on new Bing chat. So here is a chat button or option that you want to click on it. Okay, I want to click. So here you can click. After clicking that, you have to see this type of interface. Again, click on chat button, and now you can see this type of interface. Here is a start chatting, so click it. When you click it, you have entered here, and here is you can access sign in your account. So here enter your email, and here enter your password. Okay, after this you have to click on sign in, and if you want to stay sign in, then click on yes, otherwise no. So I want, so I am click on yes. After clicking on it, you have to see this type of interface. Here's down you can see chat now option, so click on it and you will go on chat GPT-4. So after clicking on it, we are here in the chat GPT-4. Here you can choose conversation style and anyone that you want to use. After this, you have here ask me anything. So here you can ask anything from it. So I will here ask him write Python code for solve math problem and math problem with Pythagorean formula. Okay, using Pythagorean formula we want to solve math problems. After clicking on send it, it will now responding. So it is now generating code for Python to solve Pythagorean formula. So here you can see it is now responding. It has import method define Python program define Pythagorean theorem and so on. It has fully discovered this type of code, and we have impressed this type. So after this I will ask him anything other, that is the write articles about earn money online. So we have to click on send, and now we can see the response after generating response. So here is a response that he gives us. So how to earn money online, it is now generating the article about it. Now it is fully completed it. I will show you. So here you can see that in today's digital age there are many opportunities to earn online, whether up to so on. So this type of article, and you have to give best commands to access best good results. So I hope this video will help you to get access chat GPT 4. If you are new here, then subscribe our channel and press the bell notification for latest updates, and thanks for watching.